E minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engines full power. And liftoff. Go Falcon, go IMAP, go SWIFO L1, and go Carruthers.
And we are flying 3 new missions on 1,000,000.
This landing burn scheduled to start in just a few seconds. There it is, starting up. This will last about 25 seconds, and this will reduce the remaining speed of the vehicle for a soft touchdown on the drone ship. Just read the instructions. The booster is also equipped with 4 landing legs that will deploy for a vertical touchdown, so keep an eye out for that just prior to landing.
Landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
Beautiful touchdown there of the first stage, and that